Ready? Recording.
I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two?
Keep on rolling.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Here, we can start again.
I was like, is she supposed to do that?
I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in our time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in.
So you guys a couple?
No, we've never met.
Just on camera. Really?
Just on camera.
A broken up couple on camera.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We've had a relationship and broke up in the past.
You think the chemistry's good? High five to that.
What? We convinced him?
High five to the romantic chemistry.
He said, do you think chemistry's good?
No, I was talking about chemistry like in school.
Oh.
I'm talking about you guys' chemistry.
No.
Right, of course.
We just high five, yeah.
If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone.
Keep on walking, out of the frame, out of the frame, out of the frame. That's cool.
Keep on walking.
Is chair spinning?
Chair's still spinning.
No cameos. Oh.
Excuse me? Oh my god. People laughing. Laughing. Trying not to.
Don't look back. Maybe glance back. Then walk past me. Walk past me.
Oh, the
Oh,
direction.
you're just laughing.
Sorry, the direction was.
Oh. You almost broke my lens.
She's gonna fight you.
She's been doing that all day.
Oh.
What are you guys talking about?